Let's face it, running a business today is no walk in the park. Customers expect everything. They want answers now, they want support at 2 a.m. And if you're like most business owners, you probably want to be asleep at 2 a.m. That's where AI phone agents come in. Now, before you freak out thinking you're going to have an entire robot army of telemarketers calling your entire contact list every day, AI agents aren't some weird sci-fi thing. They're a game changer that's revolutionizing the way businesses handle customer service, sales, and operations. In today's video, we're diving into why AI phone agents are changing business forever and why you seriously need one if you don't want to get left behind. Let's get into it. So let's break it down. Conversational AI is essentially artificial intelligence that can completely mimic human interaction. But it's not just about answering questions. It's about making the interaction feel natural and intelligent. We're way beyond the basic number trees where you're pressing 1 for sales, 2 for support, 3 for operations. Conversational AI can understand human language, which means you can speak normally to it and it will always have a way to respond. Think about the last time you spoke to Siri or Alexa. You probably didn't have to speak in perfect robotic sentences, right? These AI systems understand human speech, even if it's not perfect. Now imagine applying this to your business. A customer calls in, is asking questions, and the AI is able to handle all of their needs. Businesses are using this technology not only to cut costs, but also to increase the customer experience. It's not just about replacing human interaction, it's about making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, conversational AI gives you the ability to scale your customer support systems without sacrificing quality. That's huge, especially in today's market where everybody expects instant support no matter what the situation is. Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're running an e-commerce store. It's Friday night and you've just wrapped up a long week. Your customer, let's call her Sarah, calls you from across the country. It's a different time zone. It's 9 p.m. for her. And Sarah's having trouble completing her purchase. Normally, this would mean Sarah gets frustrated, writes up an email, sends it over to the support team, and waits until Monday to hear anything back. Or worse, she just leaves your site altogether and goes and buys from a competitor. But what if at 9 p.m., Sarah calls into customer service and an AI agent answers and completely takes care of her problem? Sarah's happy, her order went through, and you've just gained a customer without having to lift a finger. AI phone agents allow your business to stay open all the time, 24/7. This is especially beneficial for businesses who work across multiple time zones or deal with really high customer volume. People no longer have to wait for business hours, which, let's face it, is an outdated concept anyway. And it's not just about availability. The AI can handle multiple calls at once. I'm talking 1,000 calls at once, so there's no more frustrating wait times. Customers are immediately connected to an AI agent that can understand their problem and provide them with a solution instantly. You're not just making life easier for you, you're massively improving the customer experience with your business. Okay, we all know that running a business is expensive. Every time you turn around, I swear a new expense pops up, no matter what it is. Hiring more staff, dealing with overtime, expenses that you didn't even know existed but pop up anyway. And sure, we'd all love to hire a superhuman employee who works 24/7, never gets sick, never takes vacation. The last time I checked, that doesn't exist. Except with AI phone agents, you kind of do get that. These agents don't take breaks, they don't need vacation, and they will never ask you for overtime pay or bonuses. What they do though, is handle a large chunk of your customer interactions for a fraction of the cost. No payroll taxes, no benefits, no bonuses, just efficient service. I worked with a business that was spending thousands of dollars every month on a customer service team just to answer basic questions and inquiries. We're talking, where's my order? What's your return policy? Very basic and repetitive questions. These don't really need a human input. After implementing a single AI agent, their cost dropped by 40%, and their customer satisfaction went up because the AI could handle those super repetitive and redundant questions while the human team focused on more beneficial tasks to actually growing the business. So if you're looking to scale your business without scaling your expenses, AI is by far the way to go. It's an investment up front, but the long-term savings are massive. Not to mention the increased productivity and reduced burnout across your whole team. Imagine this. Your business is growing. You're running a really successful marketing campaign and bam, all of a sudden you've double or even triple the calls coming. This should be great news, right? More customers, more sales. But if you can't keep up with the demand, those new customers are going to get frustrated and disappear and probably go to your competitors. Here's where AI phone agents really shine. Unlike a human team that would constantly need to be expanded as increased volume comes through, hiring new people, training them, adjusting schedules, AI can scale instantly. Whether you get 10 calls an hour or 1,000. AI can handle it all. It's like having an elastic workforce that adjusts to your needs with very minimal added costs. It's like having an event space that magically expands anytime new people show up. You don't need to book a bigger venue or hire more staff, it just expands. automatically. AI phone agents give you that kind of flexibility in customer service and really any other avenues of the business. This scalability is crucial for businesses who are looking to scale effectively without sacrificing customer experience. Whether you're running a seasonal business that has big spikes during the holidays, or you're looking to launch a new product, AI ensures that you never miss a beat. Have you ever had that one customer service call where the AI doesn't even know your name or takes down your info wrong and you have to repeat yourself just 10, 15 times to the AI for it to understand? Frustrating, right? With AI, those types of things just don't happen. Every interaction is recorded perfectly. AI agents don't mix up orders, they don't mess up names, and they don't make typos. This means your customers get a consistently high level of service every single time. But it goes beyond just accuracy. AI phone agents collect and record data from every single interaction that it has. This data is incredibly valuable because it can massively improve your understanding of your customers and your ideal market. What are the most common issues they're calling about? Which products are causing the most questions? How long are the typical calls taking? All of this information can be used to improve your business processes, refine your product offering, and even train your human staff more effectively. It's like having a built-in analytics team working behind the scenes 24/7. Let me ask you this. How do you feel when you call a business and they already know who you are? It's a great feeling, right? Like you're not just another number in their system. AI phone agents can deliver that same experience to every single customer. When a customer calls in, AI can pull up their purchase history, know their preferences, and even tailor recommendations based on previous interactions. So instead of a generic, "Hi, how can I help you?" it becomes, "Hey Sarah, I saw you just recently purchased our new product. How's that going for you?" Much more personalized. It's like having a customer service rep with a photographic memory, minus the "what was your name again" moments. This level of customization and personalization builds customer loyalty. When people feel like they're getting special treatment from the business, they're far more likely to stick with you and even make repeat purchases. It's like bringing that high-end luxury experience to every single one of your customers, regardless of the size of your business. Here's the bottom line. AI phone agents are becoming not just a nice-to-have thing. They're becoming essential for all businesses who are looking to scale. As more and more businesses adopt this technology, the customer expectations are massively going to shift. People want faster, more efficient service, and they expect businesses to be available whenever they need it. And if your competitors are already using AI and you're not, you're very far behind. And trust me, as I'm sure you know, in today's landscape, being behind in business just isn't something you can afford. AI is no longer a luxury like it used to be. It's a necessity for staying competitive. But the good news, it's never too late to get ahead. By adopting AI now, you're positioning your business as a leader in customer service, efficiency, and innovation. So there you have it. Those are the key reasons why AI phone agents are massively changing the landscape for businesses, and why adopting this technology could be the difference between staying competitive and falling behind. If there's one thing to remember, AI phone agents are no longer just a futuristic concept. They're here now, and they're transforming the way that businesses handle customer service, sales, and just overall growth. Thanks for sticking with me today. I hope this helped you see the huge potential AI phone agents can bring to your business. Keep innovating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.